Yay! Give yourselves a round of applause! Okay, pause ko lang yung song. Okay, so na-energize ba tayong lahat? Yes? Okay, so feel free to chat in the chat box, no? Or open your cameras, feel free to unmute and give feedback, give answers, okay? So we are all here to have fun, okay? And we're here, no? Na-enjoy ba kayo sa dance? Apata-pata, yeah? Yes? Yes, yan. So welcome to our webinar. No, it's called APATA, right? So it's called Achieve Plan Goals Together. So A, achieve. P, plan goals. T is together, no, together as a family. Okay, so since kaka-start lang ng year 2025, so we are all here to plan the year for us, no? Ano bang plano natin? Meron na ba kayong mga plans? Feel free to share in the chat box. Yan. So ano yung mga plans nyo? Travel, buying new car, meron ba? Okay, so yesterday I just talked to a client. She plans to get a life insurance plan for her husband. And that's another plan, di ba? Okay, so or you plan to save, start to save 10,000 for the year? Yan, si Melissa go. Thank you. To save more. So from Joanna, UITF 2025, cutie na sana. Ano yun, cutie na sana? Okay, ayan. Yan, very good, no? Very good goals. And today, i-define pa natin to, i-fine-tune natin. So, ang question is how? How can we reach the goals? Ganun po pag manifestation ng Gen Z, may cutie. Ah, okay, Gen Z. Thank you for sharing, Joanna. Ganun pala daw. So, UITF 2025, cutie. Ganun ba yun? Okay. Yeah. So how? Ang question natin, how can we achieve these goals, no? Madalas, 'di ba, if you will notice, ako sa personal life ko, sa January laging maraming New Year's resolutions. And then number one na yung papapayat ako, mag-e-exercise na ako, ganyan, 'di na ako kakain ng sweets. Yun yung mga New Year's resolutions. Pero after how many days or months, nakalimutan na. Can you relate? Type relate in the chat box. Relate, 1,000 times. Relate, Monique, thank you. Thank you, yan. So, keep on giving, ano, no, mga answers, feedback, ganyan, so that we'll be more interactive. Yan, thank you, Melissa. Yes, walang follow-through. Yan, so, this is a perfect webinar for all of us. How can we do this, no, yung follow-through? It's very important. Kasi kung hindi natin to i-follow through, what will happen? Yung mga plans, no, it becomes a wish na sayang yung taon. And then next year na naman, 2026 na naman, and we start another new plans, New Year's resolutions, and matatapos na naman yung taon. And mapapansin natin ang bilis, no? Ang bilis ng panahon, di ba? 2025 na. Ang bilis. Ayan. Okay, sige. So, how many of you here would really want to achieve your goals? 100%. Can you type in the chat box 100% if that's you? Wow, 10,000 ba yan? Naduling ako sa zero. 10,000%. Thank you, Monique. Melissa, 100%. Okay, very good. So how many of you here naman would like to achieve ang pao for life, no? For the family, for the rest of your life. No, you type ang pao for life if that's you. Yan, wow, ang pao for life with all caps. Thank you, Joanna and Monique. Yan, so today, ano ba yung malalearn natin, no? Let me share my screen. Thank you so much, no, for being here, and congratulations for joining our webinar today, because joining here is another step for you to achieve ang pao for life. And what are the things that we will be learning today? How parents and kids can set up financial goals together. 'Di ba? Madalas kasi parents lang yung nagpaplano for the family. But today, include natin mga kids natin. And for sure, this is a life-changing for all of you. Okay? So second, we will be able to learn how to build the right savings habits to reach the family goals. And number three, discover smart strategies to achieve goal using the Family Finance Game Plan worksheet. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you these worksheets, no? And we will use this today. Okay, so bonus, how to teach our kids to be money smart. No, malalearn natin to through the steps that we will be learning. Okay? Yan. So before we begin, is it okay to share my story? Okay, so if yes, type type in the chat box yes. Yan, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Yan, thank you so much. Okay, so share ko lang para makilala niyo ako. Even if you kilala niyo na ako, yan. So, before at first 'no, the first step, what does people say about me? Okay, so these are some, testimonies 'no, whenever I talk to them or na meron kaming mga engagement 'no, ano yung naging experience nila with me. Okay, so first with Nicole, she said that, "Thank you so much for this wonderful time to talk with you. Indeed, I learned things that will help me achieve my dreams. Thank you so much for the free time, napaka-humble, approachable, and pretty. Sana more learnings pa po." Yan. So, that's one from Nicole. And from Winch, she's kind and patient. She listens with empathy, understands without judging, and is willing to help. Okay, someone you would like to talk to for an inspiration and advices. From Missing Ivory, no, I've never been this honest about my financial situation, including my bad habits. And when it comes to spending habits, spending money, feeling ashamed and fearful to talk about finances, it's never a good option. One should be honest, ready to talk, take charge, and willing to be educated. Yan. So madalas kasi if, di ba yung mga money matters, no, hindi natin na-share ito sa ating mga friends, barkada, parang nakakahiyang pag-usapan. But with me, um, it's okay to be open, to be honest, para talagang matulungan ko kayo. Yan. Okay. Yan. So from Judy King, Sheila is my preferred financial advisor because she's knowledgeable and in her field. She's truthful enough to tell you if they have it, straightforward that is. Okay, so she's very approachable. Okay, so let us welcome Varon. Hi, Varon. And Margot. Yan. Okay, so from Alan, no, Sheila is patient and genuine. When I talk to her, it feels like ako lang talaga ang client niya. Okay, conversations never feel rushed. She goes the extra mile to make sure we meet at my convenient time. Yeah, so I'm very adjustable, no, very flexible. Yeah, so if you want to know me better, you can follow me here in my social media accounts, no. So you can find me in my Facebook page, Sheila Ching Ong. Meron tayong YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, yan. So you can follow me. So if marami akong mga videos, educational videos, no, so you can follow through. Yan, yung napag-usapan natin kanina, walang follow through. And you can also join my free community, Facebook community. You will be with parents, no, who wants to learn how to improve their financial goals and how to achieve their goals, and also how to teach their kids to be money smart. And so why do we need to teach our kids to be money smart? For them to understand the value of money, na hindi lang ito parang nakukuha lang kung saan-saan. It's not like a faucet na water running, no? The money running down from the faucet. It's not like that. So meron tayong mga tips, no? How can we teach our kids na hindi lang ito it's not easy to get money, okay? So if you want to join the community, just scan the code and yan. So we'll accept you. Just answer the 3 questions. Okay. Yan. So now, I'll just share with you my history. Okay. So I grew up in Binondo with a simple life wherein basta makakain lang ng 3 times a day. That's enough, no? So wala kaming extra funds for vacation, staycation. So talagang simple life lang. So going to school, we walk, ganyan, no? And we go to our we have a small business, no? We are a wholesaler and retailer of mga chichirya. Yan. So mga Humpty Dumpty, kung naalala niyo pa yan, Wonder Boy, ano ba, Boy Bawang, yan, mga ganyang items. Okay? So simple life wherein yun. So wala masyadong extra fun. So whenever I go to dito muna tayo. Whenever na 'di ba 'pag nagbabakasyon sa school and yun, 'pag nag-meet up with classmates, palagi ang question is saan kayo nagbakasyon, ganyan. So I always answer na yung bakasyon ko is nasa tindahan lang. So, nagbabantay lang tindahan. And wala kaming vacation. And the classmates would answer na, we went to Japan, China, US, ganyan. So, I aspire, no? Nung bata ako, I aspire na sana ma-experience ko rin yan. And not only me, but also the whole family. Yun. So, right now yung mga kids natin ngayon very fortunate, wherein every year 'no, nakakabakasyon and not once, 'di ba? Twice, thrice a year pa ang bakasyon. That's why I have here an airplane, kasi I aspire to travel. And ay nung yung yun nga, yung pagkabata ko, all those years, never ako nakasakay ng airplane. So that was my aspiration. Yun. So because of that, my mom 'no, is teaching me how to handle money, how to earn money 'no. So I grew up as a kidpreneur. Okay, so ano ba yung ginagawa ko nun? Okay, so since marunong ako mag-play ng piano, ayan. Since marunong ako mag-play ng piano, naging ano ako, naging tutor sa pagtuturo ng piano sa younger kids. I also teach mga ano, simple tutoring, okay. So and then since marunong ako mag-dance, 'di ba, kanina nagda-dance tayo, nagtuturo din ako mag-dance 'no. And then my aunt was ano 'no, baking cookies 'no, so I also sell cookies. So I take opportunities, whenever there's an opportunity to earn money, I do that. Pero there's a problem 'no, I was earning money 'no, pero the problem is wala naman nagturo sa'kin how to handle it. And if you will ask me 'no, ang dami ko yatang na-earn na money nung bata ako, pero if you will ask me, "Where is it?" I don't know where it is na. Nawala na siya, yun. So, it's a problem, 'di ba? So, maganda ngayon that we have this program, Little Boss Camp. So, later I'll share with you the details, na we will teach them how to earn money, how to start a business, and we will also teach them how to save money, how to make it grow. Do you like that? If you like it, if you want to learn about it, you type Little Boss in the chat box. So, thank you, Monique. Yeah, Little Boss. Yan. So as my story goes 'no, 'di ba, I aspire to improve the lifestyle of my family, okay? So however, nung pagkatapos ko mag-graduate ng college, we experienced this bankruptcy. Yung na-mention ko na business na we are a wholesaler and retailer 'no, ng mga chichirya, candies, biscuits, na nag-short kami ng funds, naubusan kami ng money. Why? Because there are clients na hindi na nagbayad, 'di na nag-show up 'no, nag-order ng bulk na marami, 7 digits of orders and bigla hindi na nagpakita 'no. So naipit kami 'no, ang dami and then the monthly rent sa tindahan ganyan, it's malaki siya, malaking amount siya na so kung tuloy-tuloy 'yun nagbabayad 'di ba, nauubos yung funds, okey? Negative, negative na negative. So everyday 'no, na-witness ko sa mom ko na she's computing all the accounts payable, yung mga utang, nakalista siya 'no. There's a planner, parang weekly planner siya na naka-list down lahat ng utang 'no. So every day she needs to compute how much is the total payable, and then we will match it to the income for the day, and it's always negative. Okay, so ang mangyayari kasi naka-issue check na siya, it will magbo-bounce kasi yun 'no. So it's a bounce check, if that happens, there will be charges, penalty, and yun na, start na yung utang. So dun nag-start yung utang namin, then naipon na naipon, lumaki ng lumaki, yan. And then sobrang worried kaming lahat 'no, we were very, first tense, struck as tense 'no. We don't know where to find the funds. Okay, so my mom was very ano na 'no, kinakabahan siya, don't know what to do. And na-imagine na niya na lahat ng gamit sa house 'no, the suppliers will confiscate all the things that we have 'no. And since I mentioned na I'm playing the piano 'no, I have a piano na gift ng aking grandmother. And which is yan lang kasi yung best friend ko 'no. During that time, I'm very shy, I am very quiet, I don't have so much friends, ganyan. So, 'pag sa bahay kasi I have a older brother and a younger brother, wherein sila yung magkasundo, sila yung laging naglalaro. Ako yung left out, only girl in the house. So, if that happens, I just go to my piano and I play the piano like that, and so yun yung happiness ko that time. So, nung nalaman ko na possible siyang mawala, napaka-ano 'no, I got scared. I got scared 'no. So because of that, I took up a lot of, I took a lot of learning sessions about financial planning. 'Yan, so dun ako nag-aral, dun ko siya na-apply. I started doing the budgeting, no, in our family, nililist down ko lahat ng expenses namin and binabudget lang sa dapat na funds na kailangan na spend. Yan. Okay. Yan. So from there, 20 years from now, yan, let's go to the present, no? Right now, my family, no, is now experience ang Pau for Life. Okay, so I am grateful actually with the experience that we had, yung bankruptcy. Because of that, na-find ko yung passion ko. And I'm happy, no, na I'm doing this, di ba? Educating people so that you won't experience the experience that we had na naghahabol sa pera. Okay, so we don't want to experience that. And sa panahon ngayon, ang daming ways na it will happen, no? Maraming ways na possible na maubusan tayo ng funds, no? Number one right now is getting sick. As we get sick, di ba? Ang daming expenses, hospital bills, mabigat. So doon nauubos yung funds. So how can we be prepared? So yun yung mga pag-uusapan natin today. Okay, so as kanina natanong ko sa inyo, would you like to have ang Pau for Life, di ba? You said yes. Yan, ang Pau for Life. Okay, so yan, so today, so I am a registered financial planner, a certified kidpreneurs coach, international iOS bank coach, and the founder of ang Pau for Life community. Okay, so our vision is to empower 10,000 parents by 2028. And so thank you so much for being here again, no? Because you empowers me, no, to do this mission, and hopefully maparami pa natin yung matulungan. Okay? And the vision is to be able to help you to be fully present with your loved ones without the money worries through the Ang Pao for Life method. Okay, so today, madidiscuss din natin yan. Okay, so our mission is to educate and guide financial worried parents through the 5S method, through the right financial tools to instill harmony among their family members for generations to come. Yeah. Okay, so our values is empowerment. This is one way to empower you to serve with integrity and harmony. Yeah. Okay, so ay lagging. Okay, hi Baron. Okay, sure, no problem. Yan. So one way to achieve harmony is this activity wherein as we plan our goals as a family, nag-a-align yung goals natin, and with that it will help you have harmony in the house. Do you like that? If yes, type harmony in the chat box. So in summary, I help parents maximize their income by guiding them to make the right financial decision, giving them financial confidence and peace of mind. Okay, so far, no, for the past 20 years, ito na yung results, no? So more than thousands of parents started their financial plans. I was able to coach 100 plus people to achieve Ang Pao for Life, and 52 million managed funds and 38 little bosses. Okay, so later discuss natin what is a little boss, no? Okay, so with God's grace, no, with God's blessings, these are the achievements that I got, no? So 6-time MDRT, 8-time Gamma Global Awardee. So this is part of my company's recognition. 10-time Honor Club. So I need to update this, no? So 2-time IQA Silver Awardee, 3-time Senior Financial Advisor, and 4-time Gold Pinnacle Club Awardee. Yan. Praise the Lord for this. And here are our little bosses, ayan, with their family, with their parents. Ito yung graduation day namin. Yan.
Ito,
How would me?
Okay, yan. So ngayon, just want to share with you some results of our little bosses. Okay, so a child, no, meron siyang low self-esteem, and the mom said that, super thank you for supporting Marcus. I know he needs more support and exposure, so I'm really glad he took the class. Sana nga it was longer. Okay, so parang nabitin si mommy, tsaka si ano. So here, so sabi niya, initially was really nervous for Baron as it will be his first time having to work to earn. We were pleasantly surprised and proud that he was actually the first among the kids to take initiative and walk around offering his products. So na-develop yung confidence, di ba? So Baron is here and Margo is here. And thank you for this sharing. Okay. So we have this another child na lack of responsibility. Okay, so my two boys showed incredible dedication and boost confidence, especially during the fair. They dove into tracking income and expenses like pros. I highly recommend this camp to all parents. Yan, okay. So next, overdependence on gadgets and low tolerance for frustration. Okay, so this is my son. Mahilig kasi siya mag-play ng gadget, no? And so when I shared with him the Little Boss experience, being a kidpreneur, nagkaroon siya ng inspiration, no? So he was started drawing his vision, no? Na to have his own pizza tower. Ayan yun. Ito yung first picture. And then, as his business, he started selling ice cream. So, ice cream within the area. So, ito yun, nag-iikot sila. Nag-ikot kami. And then, pag uwi, he counts the money to check kung tama yung na-receive niyang money, no? Kung balanse. It's Connor, di ba, Baron? Connor, yan. And then, I taught him how to do the inventory. So, meron siya ditong Excel sheet. Ini-input namin yung sales every day, how much yung income niya. Yun. So, from there, nadi-distract siya. Kasi from gadget, di ba? From gadget to selling, so meron siya activities and naging exercise na rin niya yan. Yan. Okay, so, ano yung effect? So, this is a testimony from Leah and Zoe, no? So people might think that the Kidpreneurs program might be too early for a 7 to 8-year-old. I think it's never too early. The program built on our daughter's passion, and from there taught us to look and or create opportunities for my daughter to earn income in a fun and creative way. It's a good start to spark and develop the entrepreneurial skills, entrepreneurial spirit of our kids. When will you teach more kids for Little Boss? Yan. So later I'll share we will be launching. Ang question ni Baron kung when will be the next Little Boss camp. So we will be having this April and June sa Manila, and we will also have in Kawit Cavite by February. Okay. Yun. So we hope for more enrollees. So feel free to invite your friends to join. Thank you. Thank you for the question, Baron. Yan. So this one, nakakatuwa kasi with how many weeks lang, they were able to earn 4,000 pesos. And ang good thing there, Zoe was very generous, no? When nagkaroon ng calamities, she was very open to share some of her earnings to those who are affected by the typhoon. Yan. Yan. Thank you so much, Zoe. Hello. Yan. So now, ako naman question sa inyo. Why are you here? Why have you decided to join our family workshop for today? Feel free to type in the chat box. No? I know na very busy week, no? Especially magparating na ang Chinese New Year. Maraming mga activities, events, yan. Sabi ni Monique, to gain insights as to how I can achieve my 2025 financial goals. Thank you, Monique. From Joanna, learn how to navigate my financial this 2025. Very good. Okay, so I was able to upload the file. Kaya niyo bang ma-open? No? So download natin siya. If you can print, it's good na para masabayan niyo ako. Melissa, maybe this time will help me inspire to achieve financial goals. Yan. Thank you so much. Okay. Yan. Sige. So let's begin. No? So today, you will be learning 10 steps to achieve your family goal for this year. Okay, so 1 to 10. Yan. So are you ready? Type ready in the chat box. Yan, ready. Game na. Yan. Okay, ready na. So step 1 is to dream big. Wow, si Baron, daming dollars. Okay. So dream big. Okay. So today, I would like to invite you to close your eyes. No? Close your eyes. Then imagine, no, kung ano yung mga desires natin, no, in our hearts, kung ano yung gusto natin ma-achieve for this year. Okay? So, there's no limitations with the time, no, with the financials, with the people around you, no, okay? So, feel free to write them down. Okay? So, pag wala naman kayong, let's say, hindi nyo ma-print yung worksheets for now, you can grab a notebook or pwede rin sa iPad, pwedeng sa notes nyo, no? Write them down. Pwedeng 1 to 10. You list down all the things that you want, no? So for each one of you. Okay, so we have Mommy, we have Atsi, Anya, Shoti. Lahat kayo isa-isa magsulat, no? Write down, or you can draw. 'di ba, for our kids. So you can draw, imagine, ano yung mga gusto ninyo without limitations, okay? So I'll give you 2 minutes to write down. Yan. Kamusta yung dream writing natin? So I'll just have a guide, no, as you continue writing down your dreams. Okay, so I have here a quote from Eleanor Roosevelt. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Okay, so as you write down some of your dreams, no, ask yourself, do I believe? Do I believe in this dream na it will happen, no? Okay, yeah. Okay, so i-continue natin yan, I'll give you more time later. So I'll just have some, ano dito, sharing, okay? So some problems, no? Before we continue, ano yung sa tingin niyo yung naging problem, bakit hindi natin na-achieve yung goals? Can you share in the chat box? Distraction. Okay, thank you, Monique. So, let's deep down, no? Dig down on that word, no? Ano yung distractions na na-experience nyo on not pursuing your goal? What are these? Hmm. Sige, habang pinag-iisipan niyo, I want to share my experience, 'no, kasi I've been doing this for the past 20 years. We do this every year. Ayan, thank you. Mga budol sa Shopee, or budol spends. I see. So, nate-tempt kayo, 'no? There's influence on not doing your goal because somebody or meron mga attraction of parang temptation to buy, ganyan. Okay, thank you. Temptations, impulse buying, yan. Thank you, Melissa. Okay. Yan. So ako, share ko lang, sometimes meron akong gustong i-achieve, mag-goal, pero parang ni-brush off ko lang, "Ay, it's impossible. Ay, hindi na lang. Hindi ko kaya yan." May mga gano'ng thoughts. Meron din ba kayong ganyan? Yan. So type relate if meron din kayong ganyan. Okay? Yan. So, minsan minsan I want to achieve this goal, na-share ko sa people around me, like maybe sa asawa ko, sa mama ko, ganyan, example. Pero sometimes they brush me off na, "Ay, hindi mo naman kaya yan." Parang ganyan, or, "Ay, mahirap yan gawin, wag mo na i-achieve." May mga gano'ng experience. Kayo rin ba? Okay, so type relate in the chat box. Okay? So, sometimes naman, um minsan nakaka-overwhelm yung goal na we don't know how to achieve it. Ano yung process? We don't know. Kaya hayaan na lang. Ay, wag na lang. Gano'n. So, do not know how to set goals. And sometimes sa thoughts lang natin, hindi natin sinulat, no? Ako, hindi ko sineryoso, hindi ko sinulat, hindi ko din drawing, hindi ko parang dumaan lang sa mind ko. And eto yung pinaka ano 'no, paano ba yun? Pinaka reason why hindi ko siya na-achieve because ang dami kong self-doubts. Ako mismo, nagsasabi rin sa sarili ko, "Ay hindi ko kaya yan. Ay mahirap yan. Ay imposible yan." Yan, so yun yung mga dumadaan sa mind ko 'no, whenever I want to reach a goal. And yun, so feeling ko it will never happen. Meron din ba kayong ganong thoughts? Yes, overwhelmed, don't know where to start, seemingly impossible. Yan, thank you. Thank you, Monique. So same 'no, same yung experience natin. Hmm, yan. So today, isa-isahin natin siyang tanggalin, no? So let us think about your goals, let us dream, okay? Dream big as the step one, no? Be surrounded with supportive people. So today, no, we are here, we are a community to help each other build up our dreams and reach our goals. And we can be accountable to each other. And kayo as a family, no, together joining the webinar is already a supportive group of people. Yan. So later we will share paano yung accountability nyo, how will you work on it. Okay? Learn how to set goals and how to achieve them. Then we will write them down. Okay? We will draw. We will remove your doubts. Okay? So you need to have this affirmation din na it is possible. Yeah. Meron tayong song na sa Disney, di ba? It's possible. Yung kanino ba yun? Cinderella? Cinderella ba yun? Do you know that song? Hanapin ko yung song and then I'll share with you. So, pwede nyo rin i-play. So, while in the car, you can choose, no, sa Spotify, you can create your playlist na puro positive songs, yung mga Ain't no mountain high enough, mga ganyang kanta, makaluma. Maybe meron kayong ma-share na new songs, puwede niyo 'yan i-ano, i-collate, 'di ba? Tapos as you drive through to the school, pauwi, we can play this, affirmation songs, yeah. And so these are example 'no, of our goals. What does your ideal 2025 look like? Okay, so you can draw, you can look for pictures, ta's i-attach natin siya. You can make collage. Puwede kayo kumuha ng mga magazines, 'di ba, or newspaper. Hanapin niyo yung goal niyo, cut it out, then paste it here. So yung dun sa worksheet, eto yung itsura niyan. So I'm just giving an example. So these are example number picture 1, you dream to have an electric car, 'no? Kasi yan na yung trend ngayon and it's more, environmental healthy. Puwede natin siyang example lang 'to. So puwede anything, 'no? It could be a family gathering na let's say for me, my brother is in Canada, so matagal na kami din nagkita. So one of my goals talaga is to be together, 'no? So it's either ako yung pupunta dun or siya yung pupunta here. So it's a goal, okay? So you want to travel with your family to visit Disneyland, 'no? Ako, I love Disneyland, 'no? Sino ba dito love Disneyland? Type Disneyland in the chat box. So every time meron akong isang country na papuntahan na may Disneyland 'no, so I want to go there, 'yan. So that's one. Or maybe you want to enroll to a class 'no, dance class, art class, puwede rin acting class, whatever or photography class kung ano yung gusto niyong ma-learn. Okay, so or you want to have your own SLR camera, okay? Or 'yan, you want to learn a music instrument. Okay, so or you want to join a retreat, no? Okay, so or you want to give, no? You want to have a big project na donation drive, okay? Or you simply want to save more. Yan. So more angpaos for you. Okay? Or you want to go to the beach, no, with your family. Okay? So ito yung ano natin worksheet, you can draw, no? So possible, no, it will not finish today, okay lang. It's a process. So I invite you to give time, sit down with your family na pag-isipan nito mabuti. So puwede siyang it's a project, eh, it's a project. Ako share ko lang, I started planning for 2025 since November. Pero until now hindi pa rin siya nabubuo, ang daming tagpi-tagpi 'no. So binubuo ko pa rin siya until today. So be patient with yourselves. So possible nagbabago-bago siya. Kasi siyempre if we want to reach a goal, yung something very important to you, 'di ba? Sometimes may naiisip tayo, "Ay na puwedeng mapalitan na mas importante for you." So it can change, okay? So here I have a guide. It's a dream guide on ano yung categories of planning for your goals. Kasi puwede namang hindi lang siya financial side, okay? So hindi lang siya financial side. So this is a guide so that you'll have a well-balanced, life 'no. Naturo natin 'to sa level 2, the perspective. If you remember, Varon, the perspective wheel. Okay, so it's good to plan your goals with these 8 categories. So first is your spiritual intelligence. Okay, so how's your relationship with the Lord? Um, do you want to strengthen the relationship? Okay, so you can assess yourself today. Ano yung level, no? Kung 1 to 10, 10 is the highest. What is the level of your relationship or your faith or yung you want to improve, no? I-rank mo, yung assess mo assess yourself and then reflect, no, how would you want to improve this category? Okay, so next is the family relationship. So example, maybe you rate yourself as 5. Example lang to, as 5 because wala kayong last year, no? Last year family relationship medyo very busy tayo sa work or busy tayo sa school assignments, wala masyadong bonding time with the family and you want to improve it. Okay, so from 5 you want to be 7. So how do we do with it? Ano yung goal mo para ma-reach mo 'tong goal na 'yan? Okay, so next, another example, wala tayong masyadong health and fitness activities and you want to improve your health. How will you want to do it? It can be a goal, 'di ba? Puwedeng weight loss, puwedeng get rid of chips, example din, so anything 'no, hindi lang kailangan monetary ang goal natin, okay? So next, learning and personal growth, no? So, kaninang example sa picture, di ba, yung you want to learn a new course, a new instrument, you want to attend a class, ganyan. So, pwede, or you want to buy books, pwede rin, part of your goals. Or you want to study again, no, for our adults here. Okay? Business growth, yan. Okay, so as a little boss, kidpreneur, how will you plan to grow your business this year? Okay, so how do you plan to continue your selling, di ba? Okay? Money and finance, yan. So maybe you set an amount. By this year, I want to save another 10,000. Okay, so set a goal. Then how would you want to give back? Okay? Pwede tayo, yun, as mentioned kanina, create tayo ng donation drive, pwedeng book drive, pwedeng you can set monthly, ano ba, let's say monthly na yung food, giving food, di ba, sa street people, street children, ganyan. Okay, so fun and recreation, ito yung travel or playtime, maybe connect siya sa family relationship, you want to have a more playtime with your kids, you can set a schedule for it. Yan. So here's a quote, no? A written down dreams is the first step in achieving your goals. Yun yung ginawa natin today. Once you write it down, no, it's halfway done. Okay? Yan. So we'll go to the step 2. So step 2 is SMART goals. Set SMART goals. Palagi natin 'to naririnig, no? And ito yung ako yung problem ko. I know I need to set SMART goals. However, sometimes my goals are not clear. Okay? So not specific, not that clear, no? My why is not that convincing, no? Parang gusto ko lang, wala lang, gusto ko lang, ganyan. But it is very important na dapat clear yung why natin, no? So I set goals na no target, no target date, no tracker, and no action plans. Okay, so na-experience nyo rin ba yan? Yes, yan. Thank you. Okay, so this is very fitting to all of us, no? So kahit anong stage of life, 'di ba? So everybody needs to set a goal so that we improve one step at a time. Okay? So this is an example. No? So in your worksheets makikita niyo 'to. This is an example, no? So let's say my family before you do this, yung ginawa nating goal kanina, you need to collate as a family. Siyempre, kanya-kanyang goals iba-iba. So, kailangan nyo mag-usap, mag-ano kayo, mag-family planning, wherein, magkaroon kayo ng one goal for the whole family. Okay? So, you need to align, di ba? You need to align. So, something dapat achievable. Hindi yung something na parang it seems impossible, di ba? Dapat, you check din kung kaya ba siya magawa. So example, this is a goal for my family, no? So very specific, we want to go to Panglao, Bohol. Okay? So how can I measure or how will you track your progress? So I'll be using a roll card. Later I'll share with you roll cards, budget tracker, habit tracker, weekly family board meeting. Yan. So these are my tools to measure how can we progress. Okay? How can you reach your goal? Okay? So I computed already, no? How much yung airfare, how much yung accommodation, so maybe mga tours, yung food, na-compute ko, na-estimate ko, nasa 80,000. So, ano yan, may sobra na siya. Hindi siya, sinobrahan ko na to make sure na for emergency or kung meron additional activities na gustong gawin, hindi tayo parang makulangan. Okay, so by saving 20K per month for the next 4 months, so that is my goal. That's the family's goal. And then why is this goal important? Because we want to have family bonding to be able to relax and enjoy God's creation. Okay, so when will the goal be accomplished? So I have a target date. No, it will be on May 29 to June 1. So it's a weekend vacation. Okay. And so in your worksheets, you also have this. Okay, so you answer together as a family kung ano yung pinaka-goal nyo. Okay, so example, yun nga, saving, let's say, 100,000 for the year. Okay, so yun yung lalagay mo, 100,000. So how will you track your progress? You can copy my answer. We will be using roll cards, budget tracker, habit tracker, and a family meeting family board meeting, yan. Okay, so how can you reach your goal? So yung 100,000 can be divided into 11 months or 10 months kasi patapos na yung January. Okay? Pwedeng 10 months, so 10,000 a month to save. Okay? Then why is this goal important? Bakit mo gusto makasave ng 100,000? Para saan? Di ba? So when will the goal be accomplished? By, lagay tayo ng date, by December 25. Let's say, this can be a gift, no? Gift to your family to have additional 100,000. So lalagyan natin ng date. Okay? And so, if the family decides to have more than one goal, just duplicate this page para sa next goal, sa another goal. Pwede naman kung kaya pagsabay, why not, di ba? Okay, but for me, one step at a time para focus tayo, hindi tayo ma-overwhelm, and for sure talagang ma-achieve ang goal natin. And so, any question on this step 2?
Written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action makes a dream come true.
Yay! Thank you. Bye. Yan. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you for reading. Yan. So, ito yung ginawa lang natin ngayon from our SMART goal, di ba? So, once you wrote down your dream, it becomes a goal. And if you broken down into steps, it becomes a plan. And plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. Yan. Okay. Sige. So now, we will go to step 3. We will now create a vision board. So, since very clear na yung goal natin for the year, we will put down them in one page na very attractive, no, creative. Okay, so kanina na mention sa ating chat box, no, the reasons why we don't achieve our goals because there's no follow through. Yan. Set goals are not pushed through and nakakalimutan na. But for yan yung akin, no? So minsan na-brush off, nakalimutan na, na-distract na tayo as mentioned kanina. Okay? So here in our worksheet, we have this page, step 3, no? Draw in the plain window your family goal. Okay, so I have here a sample. So I used a Canva. I use Canva, no, na, di ba may mga poster na doon? Okay, so I use a background na panglaw buhol yung background. So para may imaginary, nandun na tayo. And then I got a photo of a family photo na tinanggal ko yung background. Insert ko lang dyan. And then I put the goal budget 80,000, kailan yung target date. Okay, so this is the place, the location. And then I put here some chocolate hills para ma-shade. So para siyang tracker, na vision board tracker siya. You can print it out, no? Print it out na somewhere na makikita ng everybody na mare-remind tayo. So this is one way for us to be reminded of our goal. And whenever makita mo siya, maalala mo siya, and ma-inspire ka ulit, di ba? Yun, so, and then, tracker siya. Let's say, na-achieve na yung 20K kasi binake down ko siya to 4 months. So, every time may 20K, I'll shade one chocolate hills or I'll ask Connor to shade it. Yan. Okay, so, how do you find this vision board activity? Yan, this is my first time, actually. Yan, thank you, Monique. Yan, so you can do that. Or if, pwede naman hindi digital, kasi digital siya, no? As a family, you can buy an illustration board na malaki. Pwede rin Manila paper or cartolina. So together, you draw in the paper, in the Manila paper or cartolina or illustration board. Para ano rin siya, it's a family activity. So you'll be more closer to each other, di ba? Maganda yung experience and the kids will always remember. Okay. Okay. Sige. So here, meron tayong quote na hold the vision and trust the process. So whenever you see your vision board, no, you hold it, di ba? You hold it and then visualize. Visualize whenever you see that goal, visualize na nangyayari na siya. Di ba? And you trust the process na it will happen. Okay. Yan. So now we go to step 4. We assign roles as a family, no? May kanya-kanyang assignment. Okay? So ito problems ko why I don't achieve my goal because I was not responsible enough to reach my goal, no. Wala akong commitment and wala akong accountability. Ako lang mag-isa. And yun, so because of that, nalilet go ko yung goals ko. Okay? So here I have an example, role cards. So ito yung itsura ng step 4, no, dun sa inyong worksheet. Okay, so yan. you discuss to each other as a family, paano nyo ma-reach yung goal na yan. So first, you divide. Di ba 20K, let's say for us, every month, 20K. So divide ko siya sa 4. Ito, example lang na 4 kami. Example lang, kasi some of you, marami, di ba, may 4, may 5, ganyan, okay. Divided into 4. So let's say 12K from dad, 5K from mom, 2K from sister, 1K from brother. So that's the monetary side. Okay, so each one of you would say your reason why is it important, ano yung compelling reason why you want to achieve this goal. So example from dad, I need to distress and spend time with family. So yan yung goal niya. From mom, to have family bonding and relax, no? From sister, I love to swim in the beach and to enjoy God's creation. And I want to see si brother, I want to see my social studies lessons, the chocolate hills. Yan. Okay, so these are just example, no? Okay, so on top of that, ano yung commitment ng bawat isa? Okay, so from that, I will bring lunch baon na lang instead of buying outside food, di ba? Makatipid siya. So probably kaya niya yung 12K from that tipid, no? Okay, so from mom, I will visit the parlor once a month instead of every week. Example lang yan. Okay, so nakatipid din siya. Si sister, meron siya mga art craft, no, na ibebenta daw niya para kumita siya ng money. And si brother, I will study harder to get perfect score. So meron siyang reward whenever meron siyang perfect score. So from there, makaipon siya. Okay, so these are just examples. So later, marami pa tayong ideas, no, kung paano tayo makapag-ipon or how to earn money. Yan. So any question on step 4? No question, we continue. So here's ito yung itsura ng ating worksheet. Okay, so from John Dewar, sabi niya, goals should never be negotiated. Commitment is the key. Yan. So whatever yung makommit ninyo for today, wala nang atrasan. Commit to each other na let's do this, di ba? Okay? Yan. So step 5, prepare a saving jar. So naturo natin to sa level 2 if Baron can remember, di ba? So we have saving jar na 3 jars. But today, for this goal, for our goal setting, only one jar. Okay, so ano yung problem, no? Let's say for me, bakit hindi ko nga ma-achieve yung goal ko? Kasi I do not set aside funds for it. So, kasi hindi ako ganun kaseryoso. No idea where to get the funds. Meron akong next time na mentality na, ay, sige, next time na lang. Ito gusto ko, next time na lang. Ganyan. And then, I did not prepare a saving jar. Okay? So, in our worksheet, makikita natin to, prepare a saving jar. So, any jar can do, no? Pwedeng, let's say, yung peanut butter jar na naubos na, di ba? We can use that. Or, any jar na recyclable, we don't need to buy. Okay, so, you just get one and pwede nyo i-design, decorate, then put somewhere na kita ng everybody. Okay, so whenever na every end of the month na naipon natin yung funds or whenever may savings money, you just put it there. Okay, so kung ayaw nyo ng jar, pwede rin naman ng investment instrument, di ba? Pwedeng savings account, pwedeng time deposit, pwedeng UITF account. We put it there para kumikita rin ng pera. So kasi may time frame din siya kung good for a year yung goal natin, di ba? It's good na nakalagay siya sa investment na kumikita, like money market, no? Earning around 5%. On top of you saving, di ba? Your money works for you as well. Yeah. So it will be a smarter way. Easier, faster, no? Faster. So sabi ni Bruce Lee, make at least one definitive move daily toward your goal. Okay, so with this, we are building new habits, no? Building the right habits to achieve your goal. So once na na-build up niyo yung new habits niyo, tuloy-tuloy na yan, yung progress niyo mapapabilis. Okay? Okay, so step 6, record monthly savings. Okay, so we need to record this. Okay, so ito yung mga reasons why I don't reach my goal before, no? So because I don't have a monthly saving tracker, I don't have an expense tracker as well, and no idea where the money goes. They also have this kind of problem. Okay, so dito man tayo sa monthly savings tracker. Okay, so for this one, list down lang natin. So let's say what is the month, no? Let's say January. Then from dad, from mom, from sister, brother. Ano yung target saving for the month, and what is the actual? So makita natin. So this is the worksheet na makikita natin. And for the parents, meron tayong Google Sheet version ng expense tracker wherein i-detailed natin yung mga expenses natin, i-record natin siya. It will help you lessen your costs. So medyo ano siya, medyo matrabaho, pero I did that. So every time nag-commute before, no, every time nag-jeep, every time nag-Starbucks, nire-record ko lahat. And meron siyang um, parang mind consciousness na whenever you will spend again, mapapaisip ka na, ay, wait lang, dapat i-save ko na lang siya. Something like that. So, kanina yung mga nag-share na naapektuhan ng mga sale, mga Shopee and Lazada like that. So, whenever you spend, i-record mo yung na-spend mo. Para sa next time na magre-record ka ulit because of that that expense, etong na-spend mo, mapapaisip ka na, wait lang, I should not do this again. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, may subconscious message para sa inyo. Okay? So, yung Google Sheet wala dito, no? So, I'll share later yung sheet. Okay? So, sabi ni LL Cool J, kilala niyo ba siya? Sabi niya, stay focused, go after your dreams, and keep moving toward your goals. Stay focused and keep working towards your goals. Okay? So, do not stop pag nasimulan niyo na. So, sometimes, let's say sa month 1, hindi natin na-achieve yung goal, don't worry. Okay? Ulitin lang natin, start fresh sa second month, sa third month, start fresh. Just keep on going. So, sometimes, medyo lag behind. But, towards the end, magugulat ka, no, na nagiging on track ka. Okay? So, just keep on going. Okay? So, step 7, we will do some brainstorm and strategize. Okay? So, ito yung one of my problems is no concrete plan and no strategies. Okay? So, here are examples, no? Ano yung pwede natin for the kids? Paano sila kikita? Okay? So, number 1, pwedeng rewarding perfect scores. So for me with Connor, hindi quizzes kasi quizzes madali lang eh. Long test, sa every long test, meron siyang 100 pesos. Pag quarter exams, 200 pesos. Yan yung reward niya. Okay? So rewarding new habits form. So pwede rin or kung no gadgets ka for a month, maybe I can reward you 500 pesos. Example lang yan. Or pwede rin cut off dine out. So kung every week tayo nagda-dine out, sacrifice lang tayo ng isang linggong no dine out. So with that money, mga 2 to 3,000, maipon natin siya. Okay? Or pwede rin kung dati lagi kayo nagchichibo, ganyan. This time, amici naman or shakies. Yun yung example. Pwede rin, kung lagi tayo nagchichips, di ba? Example, pwedeng bawasan, no? Instead of 3 chips whenever you go to the groceries, binibili mo, 5, 6, i-half natin siya this time. 3 na lang. Ganyan. Okay? Ito Starbucks, no? So, kung weekly ka nagsa-Starbucks, no, bawas isang week or 2 weeks. Okay? Malaking savings na rin yun. Or example, ito, si Connor nag-order siya ng pang 3 taong order, no? So, pwedeng bawasan. Yan. So, there are so many ideas. Meron ba kayong mga naisip ngayon? Feel free to share in the chat box. Ano yung mga naisip nyong possible ways for you to save money? Selling old things. Very good. Oh, that's a very good idea, Melissa. You can, maybe one Sunday afternoon, you can fix your things, identify kung ano yung pwedeng ibenta. Diba? That's very good. So, I'm sure malaki yung may ipon natin dyan. Anything else? Parang decluttering. Yes, Joanna. Thank you. Pwede. Pwedeng old clothes, old toys. Ano pa pwede? Books. Tutoring. Thank you, Varon. Ayan. So, you can do servicing. So, since, you know a lot of things, di ba? It's good to share to younger kids. Okay, that's a very good strategy, Varon. Okay, anything else? Yan, sige. So, meron tayo ditong some ideas, no? You can sell homemade crafts or baked goods kung mahilig tayong mag-bake, gumawa ng art crafts, okay? So, na-mention ni Varon yung tutoring services or babysitting. Pwede rin. Okay, so maybe, di ba marami nang may fur babies? Maybe, kung mahilig ka sa pet, pwede rin to take care of the fur babies. If marunong tayo, di ba? And we have a help, no? Okay, so you can start recycling project, no? Collect and sort recyclable materials like bottles, cans, or paper. And you can do that and manage a small online store. Okay, so with parental guidance, kids can start a small online business selling items such as handmade accessories or pre-love items. Okay, so share lang natin, no? So si Zoe nagbenta siya ng kamote chips and si Daphne nagbenta ng peanut butter. Okay, so si Varon sold chocolate lollipops, di ba? Tama ba? Yan. So Varon said, I'm accepting students to tutor. I will teach math. Can you split? Oh, sure. Can you please spread the word? Yes, yes, sure. Do you have specific ages for the kids? So specify the ages and kung anong grade. And then let us know also yung schedule mo. Kung tuwing kailan ka pwede mag-tutor. So with this, grade 5 and below, okay? And when is your available time? So let us know yung available schedule, and is it okay? I'll give you an assignment for this. Maybe you can create your flyer. I will tutor in the summer. I will discuss the rest oh, very good. So Varon now has a strategy, as a plan, no, on how to do his tutoring services, diba? And you can also set the service fee, Varon, kung how much, para the moms, the parents would know the price. Okay? And thank you for this. So in your worksheet, makikita natin to, my bright idea. So lahat ng ideas na naisip natin, lagay lang natin dyan. Okay, so later, pwede nyo pa, kung marami kang na-list down, then you can parang stream down mo pa, something that you can really do it, na achievable siya. Okay? Yan. So from Walt Disney, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Okay? Okay, so now step 8, we have a habit tracker. Okay, so one problem is not for me, no, the one reason I cannot reach my goal is because I was not consistent. Okay, so here are some habits na pwedeng natin magawa, no? So example, no buying of chips, no smoking, no FB browsing, eat chocolate once a week, exercise 15 minutes a day, Starbucks once a week. So yun yung mga example kanina. So, kung ano yung gusto nyong i-add or something that you want to change in you, to improve in you, yan, lagay natin dyan. So, here, you can see your worksheet like this, no? Habit tracker. So, pwede tayo, siya, one habit in one box. And then, yung 1 to 31, that's the days of the month. So, i-shade mo siya kung nagawa mo siya. Okay? So, for sure, may mga moments, kasi we are building new habits, may mga days na nami-miss out, it's okay. It's okay. You just keep on doing it again the next day. Yun lang yung key doon. So, wag tayo masyadong mag-dwell sa nangyari na in the past, but let's focus on the day. Today, tomorrow, focus lang sa moving forward. Okay? So, sabi ni John Maxwell, you'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. Okay? The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. Okay? So yun yung focus natin, no? To improve your habits, no? And for sure, you will be able to reach your goal. So any questions before we go to step 9? Okay, so we go to step 9. So step 9 is family board meeting. Okay. So one of my struggles before is kaya hindi ko siya ma-achieve because walang monitoring, no support, and no accountability. Okay. So best ito sa mga sa atin, no, na sa mga tao na wala ring support, walang accountability, the people around are negative, yan. So ito yung kailangan sa atin. Yan. So here, an example of a family board meeting worksheet, no? So example, you need to set a schedule. Okay, so today you plan, no? Kailan kaya yung family board meeting namin? Pwedeng eto nilagay ko Sunday. Every Sunday at 10 AM in the living room. So very specific. So you commit that every Sunday at 10 AM family board meeting kayo. Okay, so decide with the topic, ano yung gusto niyo pag-usapan. So this is an example. Let's say tomorrow, Sunday na, so ang pag-usapan is, on track ba ang savings namin? Okay? So what went well? Okay, so example, si dad, na-achieve niya yung commitment niya na magbaon lunch for the whole week. Si sister nakabenta ng 2 craft works and earned 500 pesos. Si mom nag-visit na ng parlor. Ayan, so what went not so well, di ba? Brother, no perfect score on the test. Okay, so ano yung action items for improvement? No, continue reminding each other of the goal. Monitor mom not to visit parlor anymore. And brother to focus on study. So these are just examples. So depende yung sa inyo kung ano yung what happened for the week. Okay, so this is para siyang review of what we have talked about today. Siyempre, mabilis makalimot with all the busyness that we are having and mga assignments natin sa school, di ba? You know, with all the distractions. So with this, it's good to reflect, no, for the week and how can we improve the next week. Okay, so you'll see your worksheet like this, no? Just fill it up. And then from JC Penny, own your actions, hold yourself accountable, and remember that integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Okay? Yan. So it's important to build integrity. We don't wait for, don't wait for someone who will check on you, di ba? Kung ano yung naging commitment natin sa habits, for our goal, let's do this. Okay? Okay, so we are now on the last step, no? So step 10 is to celebrate small wins. Okay? So for me, one of my problem before is whenever meron ako na-achieve, palagi ko siyang inaano parang, I don't deserve this. Parang ni aano ko siya, parang ni-pull back ko siya, no? So because of that, hindi sa susunod hindi ko na-achieve kasi parang hindi ko siya in-accept, hindi ko siya in-embrace. So that was my problem. And then I learned na dapat pala sa every time na we achieve something, we celebrate. Okay? So it's called false humility. Okay? So whenever meron ako na-achieve, hindi ko siya ine-embrace, no? So I would say na, I don't deserve this, you know? Hindi ko siya ina-acknowledge. Okay? So I don't celebrate. So I keep on working. So because of that, napagod ako, na-exhaust ako, so I stop, 'di ba? Tapos hindi na natuloy yung next goal. So that was my problem. So yan. So ngayon nung na-learn ko ito, I started celebrating. So every small win, I really um, rest, pause, and celebrate, no? And then I acknowledge whenever may nagko-congratulate, 'di ba? I need to acknowledge it. Okay, so for the family activities, how can we celebrate this, no? These are some example like family celebration, you can do a movie night, 'di ba? Okay, so you can plan, no, kung anong klaseng celebration you want to do. Hindi naman kailangan mag-spend din ng money, 'di ba? Kasi we want to save nga. Okay, so pwedeng something activity doing together na celebrating the small wins. Okay, involve everybody. Okay, so pwedeng swimming party. Okay, so somewhere na hindi na tayo mag-suspense. Maybe sa condo, di ba? May swimming pool. Okay. And then, or you just eat together o pwede mag-prepare ng something special food for the night. Another quote, no? When we fail to acknowledge and celebrate small victories, we get discouraged and the flame inside us starts to dwindle. So it really happened to me. Yun yung na-share ko kanina na hindi ko siya in-acknowledge. So nawala. Nawala yung spark, parang nasayang yung na-reach kong goal. Nasayang. Okay, so yun, I'm sharing it with you na wag niyong gawin yan. Okay, so after all the 10 steps. Ayan, sige. So after achieving your goal, 'di ba? You reflect on it. So ano yung ire-reflect natin? Okay, so let's reflect, no? So you rate your progress, you rate your achievement. Okay, so are you happy? Are you grateful? Are you awesome? And then you write down what are the things you learned, no? And what are the things you enjoyed during that achieving the goal? And what do you look forward to? Okay, so you write them down. And then these are the action steps for you to be successful, no? So you do your you make sure that the vision board will be visible. Yan na mention ko kanina. And then make sure that you'll have a monthly family finance meeting, yung kaninang yung savings tracker, and use this blueprint as your roadmap. You can do it again and again. So even if after this year, next year, you just have to do it again. So this is your blueprint already. And important to lead by example. So each one of you, no, the mommy, the dad, the kids, each one of you has your own roles in the family. You can remind each other, especially the kids. Big help yung reminding the parents, no, na, di ba, mommy, you said ganyan. Big help sa akin yun sometimes kasi hindi ko, yun nga, sometimes I'm not truthful with what I say. So with the reminder, ay, oo nga pala, di ba, we promised to do this. Yan. So let us lead by example, show our family the importance of the financial discipline by practicing what you preach. Model good habits like budgeting, saving, and mindful spending. Inspire your family by demonstrating commitment to share goals. How do you find the 10 steps? Any share? Pwede kayo mag-unmute. Yan, sige. It is very easy to apply. Thank you, Joanna.
I find it achievable, but I just need to be, kailangan ko lang ma-follow through talaga siya.
Okay, that's good. Naka-follow ba sila Mia?
Hindi eh.
Hindi,
Ako na
hindi
lang.
na. Oo.
Yeah.
So parang you set aside time na lang to do it together. Tas simplify na lang, no? With them.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ayan, you're welcome. Okay. Sige. So now, since we're done with the 10 steps, I'll be sharing with you the Little Boss Camp. Would you like to know more about it? Yan. So, kanina na-discuss natin yung sa brainstorm and strategize. Na-discuss natin yung Little Boss. Yeah. So, today I'll share with you what is it all about. Okay. Yan. So, just want to share yung history ng Little Boss Camp. Nung pandemic, we created this kidpreneurship program wherein guiding kids to start a business. Okay? So, yun yung goal, no? Yan. So, yun yung goal natin. For the kids to learn how to start a business, no? And paano natin ma-form yun sa mga bata is we will help them find the strength and passion of your child and connect to their life's purpose. So medyo malalim siya, pero we simplified it. And I have assistant coaches here, si Joanna and si Monique. Okay, so 3 of us together, we will be guiding your kids, no? So we have in Cavite and we will be having in San Juan and Quezon City. Okay, later we'll share the schedule. Okay, so we will teach your kids the values and characteristics of an entrepreneur. We will teach them proper mindset and the right habits. So yung ginawa natin kanina, medyo na yun, pahapyaw na ng Little Boss Camp. Yung goal setting, yung building the right habits. Yun. Ang mangyari lang sa mismong camp, will find their passion. Para happy sila, di ba? If you do what you love to do, you are enjoying, you will have fun. Fun earning money. Yeah, okay? So guide them with their business plan and business pitch, and they will launch it through a mini fair. So ma-experience talaga nila yung actual selling. How to talk to clients, how to make sukle, di ba? Tapos how to compute the sales and check on their income. Okay, so in Little Boss Camp, there will be collaboration. So meron mga brainstorming din. It's good to see na mga bata nag-share na ideas. Okay, so they will build network. They will have new friends, no? They will be accountable with each other. With that, they will build confidence. Okay, so they will learn the value of money. Sa start pa lang, no, I will share what is Ang Pao for Life, and they will learn, ito pala yung dapat na i-goal. Hindi lang yung I want this and that, diba? And they will have the entrepreneurial mindset. Okay? So here are the feedbacks of the kids, no? Ito yung mga na-learn nila. So every time we have this coaching session, we ask them, what did you learn today? So ito yung mga na-share, no? So they learned the right habits. They were able to learn goal setting. They were able to learn discipline, respect, the build confidence, the work ethics, to have a positive mindset. They were able to appreciate the brainstorming activity. They learn financial independence. We will also talk about emotional intelligence, manage their emotions. Okay, so they will learn grit, resilience. No, i-share namin sa kanila na it's not easy. And sila mismo, nakikita nila during the preparation of the mini fair that it's not easy, di ba? It's not easy to prepare the products, no? It's not easy mag-set up ng booth, na magbenta, no? Yun. So, ma-develop sa kanila yan. It's not easy also to be rejected, di ba? Minsan, nag-offer tayo na, ay, hindi nagustuhan. Okay, they will learn how to be responsible and also to have these entrepreneurial skills. Okay, so these are the life hacks that they will learn. And these are some testimonies. Yan, okay? So, from May, the Little Boss Camp gets perfect 10. Okay, my two boys showed incredible dedication and boost confidence, especially during the fair. They dove into tracking income and expenses like pros. So, ito, the two kids, no, share ko yung story nila. Pagdating nila ng camp, meron na silang idea, no, selling game cards. So, parang siyang magic cards, alam niyo ba? Parang Pokemon cards. So, meron siyang idea, meron siyang mga drawing na sa papel. I was able to guide them na why not yung drawing mo, ilagay mo sa Canva para gumanda siya and then i-print natin. So, what they did, nag-ask sila ng help from ChatGPT. So, yung drawing nila na-upload sa ChatGPT, naging sobrang animated, ang ganda. Yun. So, they were able to print them out, no. So, yan yung their business is called Power Cube. Very, very good idea, yung idea nila. Okay, so from Varon, no, kanina si Varon, di ba? So, sabi ng Mami Margo, I will thank you then nakita natin yung confidence ni Baron during the fair na siya yung first person na nag-ikot sa 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 fair na instead of waiting for people to come to him, siya na yung lumapit sa mga tao. Yan. Okay, so from Edward, a Little Boss Camp taught my kids the value of hard work and meeting deadlines by preparing them the items for sale during the graduation bazaar. Okay, so also for them to set sale goals. Okay, so from Edward, one struggle niya before is yung his kids lagi nagpapabili ng ganyan mga kung ano-ano. And because of this activity, yung si Willow, no, si Willow, hindi na siya nag-ask ng money from his dad whenever, kasi medyo mabarkada na siya. Pag may mga activity, mga sila, parang meetups, ganyan, hindi na siya nag-ask ng money. Yung income na niya from the business, yun na yung ginagamit niya. Yun. Okay? Yan. So, ano yung content ng Little Boss Camp, no? So, we have 2 levels, no? We focus today the level 1. Okay, so level 1 is promise, no? Yung parang commitment, no? We will establish the commitment here of the kids. We will also discuss what is an entrepreneur, what is a kidpreneur, the characteristics of a kidpreneur. And then day 2, we will have this assessment, value assessment, personality value assessment of our kids. Kung ano yung strengths nila and weaknesses. And then makikita natin dito yung what are the things that they love to do. Okay, so we will guide them kung paano kung ano yung parang narrow down, kung ano yung talagang passion nila. So, doon natin i-dwell kung ano yung pwedeng possible business opportunity for them. Okay? So, practice, no? Day 3, ito yung focus natin yung habits. Ano yung, we will ask them, no, to write down what are the habits that you want to stop today, what are the habits na you want to continue, and what are the new habits that you want to start. Okay, so with this activity, the parents could maximize, utilize, no, na pwede mo siya i-remind sa following days na, di ba na-commit mo sa notebook mo na you want to stop this bad habit, di ba? So, you can parang reiterate, ulit from them, para talagang mawala yung bad habits nila. Okay? Since they want to achieve the goal na-establish ng day 1. Okay? And then day 4, we will share with them the purpose. Na hindi, kasi syempre, as we earn money, it's not all about the money, di ba? As we start a business, meron, may purpose behind that business. Why are you doing this? Hindi lang siya because you want to earn money. So, ituturo din natin sa kids. With our experience, sa day 1, talaga money sila, mga kids, no? Pero towards the end, nag-iiba yung focus nila, nag-iiba yung perspective in life na they focus on the purpose, not only earning money. Yan. So from there, as na-establish yung purpose, we will guide them how to start to prepare their pitch, their business pitch, and their business plan. And then from there, we will guide them mabuo yung product, pricing, how to price the product. Okay, and then they will practice their pitch. Okay, so day 7, this is a homework, hindi siya on-site session. Preparation for the mini fair. So prepare the products, the raw materials, the booth, kung paano nila i-set up. And they can also practice selling to their relatives and friends or neighbors para pagdating sa mini fair, mas confident sila, mas aware sila what's happening. So of course, we need the support of the parents na in each step, meron tayong guide. Okay? So syempre, kids, hindi natin ma-expect na lahat mag-grasp nila yung lesson. But don't worry about that kasi we are planting seeds, no? So sa every session, hindi sa buong session, syempre hindi natin expect lahat na ma-memorize nila, mag-gets nila. We are planting seeds. As they practice it, as they do it, doon nila talaga maintindihan. Okay? So day 8, mini fair, graduation day. So sa graduation day, they will present their pitch with their products, no? So para malaman ng mga audience what are they selling. And they will understand the purpose behind of that product. Okay, and then, yun, magbebentahan, mag-o-offer na sila. Okay, so we are targeting Estancia Mall, no, na sa 3rd floor, meron doon parang kids area, na sa hallway, doon sila magbebenta. So it's a whole day activity. So that's the target. Okay? Yan. Any question from this program? Okay, sige, no question. Then now, I'll share with you the schedule. Okay, so we will be having Curious Campers sa Kawit Cavite, February schedule. So we'll start February 8. Actually, next week we'll have an orientation of what is Little Boss Camp, what to expect, ganyan. Okay, so February 8, February 15. So it's an 8-week ano siya, activity. So 2 months, okay? So next, we will be having in Swag sa San Juan, start on April 5 to May 31. And then sa Quezon City, here Fit City, sa E. Rodriguez, June 14 to August 2. Yan. Okay, so para sa inyo, sa tingin nyo, how much is the value of the camp? So any guess? 15,000, yes. Okay. Yan. So kanina na-share ko sa inyo yung values na ma-learn and the life hacks. Okay, so if ever you will be enrolling to different courses, to get all those values and learnings. 18K from Joanna. Okay. Yan. So ang total value niya is 70,000. Okay, so with the booth setups, 'di ba? Kasi meron mga nag-mini fair, one day is 4,000 for you to join. Wala pang camp lessons. Okay. Yun. So now from my part, I want to give you not the 70K, no? So I'll be giving you 50 off, so offering the 35,000. Okay? So pero syempre I'll give you more discount, no? This is the investment fee, 14,888 for the 8 weeks, no, with the camp, with the mini fair, with the free kidpreneur book, and also there's a guide on how to teach your kids money smart. Okay, so I'm offering also 3 installment plan. Okay, so down payment of 5,500 to reserve your slot. Kasi each program, each batch, we will only open to 8 students. Kasi we want na very hands-on. We don't want many students in one class. Okay? So the inclusion is 6 action-packed sessions, no? With the Kidpreneur book worth $47. With the Tauke kit, so meron tayong parang attached case. And then with the graduation ceremony and mini fair, with the certificate of completion and access to the exclusive How to Train Your Child to Be Money Smart webinar. Yan. So bonus, no, if you will enroll today, I'll be giving you free coaching, ang Power for Life coaching, valued at 3,000. So you can scan the code and set appointment with me. Okay, so I'll guide with you, identify your financial goals, what hinders you in achieving it, identify money behaviors based on personality values, assess current financial status, and give recommendations on how to achieve ang Power for Life. Okay. Yan. So, yan. With this, no, we'll be able to achieve ang Power for Life. Yes? Do you agree? Yan. Okay, sige. So some testimonies. Yan. Thank you. Thank you, Monique. So ano yung mga sinasabi ng mga clients? Okay. So thank you sa time mo today para may heavy feeling na na-left sa akin knowing, ito yung result ng coaching, ang Pop for Life coaching. So, yung kausap ko, meron siyang problem with finance, parang hindi siya makaipon din. And then we were able to identify the problem. So because of that, na-lift up daw yung heavy feeling, nabawasan siya ng tinik. Yun. So, itong clarity yung kind of blessing I needed. Okay, so from this person, I'm thankful and glad that you have introduced me ang Pau for Life. At least at this time, I won't be worried in my future when I get old, and security for the loved one I left behind. And so, good morning, Sheila. Thanks for taking the time. I'm 11 years older than my sister. I'm happy that she spent time with you, enjoy the fruits of her labor, and now looking into securing her future. That's one of my great joys. Yun, so nag-guide ko yung sister niya kasi sometimes magkakapatid tayo, hindi lahat the same thinking of how to manage finances. So she knows how, but the sister don't know. Yung sister niya na OFW sa Dubai nag-work, so she's earning a lot, pero yun nga, hindi na save. So because of yun, inintroduce niya ako, then nag-guide ko siya on her finances. Yan. So thankful si sister. Yan. So now, this is a special offer, free 30-minute call, no, worth 3,000, and we'll guide you to really achieve your Ang Pao for Life. Yan. Okay. And so, would like to ask you, ano yung nyo? Do you have any questions? And how do you find the webinar today? Anyone wants to share? So let's start with Monique.
How's the webinar today? I think because we've also worked on a few days doing my own goals, my plans. So I think it's been helpful kasi somehow I told you at sa start na wala akong financial goals talaga specific. So this year, because of this exercise, I've started listing down more specifically what these goals are and how I plan to achieve them. So it's very helpful and I hope it also helped the participants today.
So action mode ka na.
Oo.
Yay! Okay, congratulations, Monique.
Thank you.
And so I introduce kita, Monique, no. So Monique will be our assistant coach sa Quezon City and San Juan. Yan. So watch out for her. Yan. Thank you, Monique. So si Monique, siya yung auntie ni Baron. Kanina, nagda-direct message siya sa akin, hindi niyo nakita yung message niya. And I'm so happy for him, He's ready to do the tutoring services and ready to continue saving money. So, share ko din sa kanila, no, sa inyo na he opened an iFund account for himself, no, he's just 10, 11? Ilang taon siya? 11. So, si Baron kasi he's a very achiever child, di ba? So, he's winning a lot of contests, mga math, science, ano ba yung mga contest niya? And lagi siya naka-receive ng angpao from ama. Tama ba? Yan. And then yung pera na yun, ini-invest niya. So, siya mismo yung pumipili ng fund, siya mismo yung nagmo-monitor, and he's really eager to add up to it. Nagta-top up siya. With a small amount, start with 3,000, ganyan. And now he wants to add more to it through the tutoring services. Yun, very good. Congratulations. Thank you, Monique.
Thank
Sige,
you.
let's call Mami Leah. Hello.
Yung regarding with the goals or dreams, to make it more
Yes.
specific.
Ano, how
It-
did you find the webinar today? Para sa'yo.
Helpful siya. Hoping lang na magawa ko siya because of the time. Kasi isa sa mga problems, diba, in achieving the goals kasi minsan sa work,
Oo nga.
wala yung time kasi usually 7:30 sa office, then nakakauwi mga 7, tapos pang bata pa, gagawa ka pa ng mga worksheet for my daughter pag may exam, ganyan. Pero siya, insightful since parang sabi ko, medyo same din pala siya sa office na yung goals ng office, you have to have specific and parang specific competency ba yun or something. Basta parang kailangan specific. So, nag-ano sa akin yun, parang, kailangan yung goal ko, hindi pwedeng ganun lang, general. Dapat may specific target din.
Yes. How about sa weekends? Can you find time on a Saturday or a Sunday?
Saturday kasi meron din schedule. So, usually,
Mm.
hapon, parang always pagod ako eh. I don't know why. But, sige, parang commit ko for this 2025, I should at least do something na makagawa kami ng vision board or
Yes, pwede. Yeah. Kahit 30 minutes lang or 15 minutes. Allot 15 minutes lang. On a Saturday or on a Sunday. Parang playtime nyo lang.
I was telling Mia, my daughter, na parang, we want to listen, ganyan, pero this will teach you how to parang earn money or magka-idea. Interested man siya, kaya siya with playing with his brother. So, pero parang na parang she wants to earn money naman.
Oo. More on play pa sila talaga sa age nila. So, ano lang, parang pahapyaw lang. Hindi, wag tayong mag-pressure na, ay baka di mo mag-gets, parang gano'n. Hindi, wag tayong maging gano'n. More on pahapyaw pa, parang kwento-kwento lang or playtime lang kayo. Tapos we talk about yung goals and all, ganyan. Yan. Okay, very good. Thank you, Melissa. Si Mean is one of my classmate nung since kinder. She's one of my best friend and inaanak ko si Mia. Yan, okay. Sige, so Joanna, wow. So many learnings. Ang learnings ko from our webinar is it is not too young to start matutunan ang financial literacy. Also, it's an easy to apply worksheets na kahit bata is maintindihan. Yeah. We'll recommend this worksheet sa mga mommy friends ko. Kasi instead na nagbabayad ang kids sa iPad or YouTube, they can do fun things like this. Na nagre-replay ano yun, replay sila pero nagpo-play sila. Yes. And thank you so much for this insight. Yeah, that's a very good idea, no, na i-replace natin yung mga YouTube time to fun time like this na family workshop, family activities. And it will help them learn financial literacy. Thank you, thank you. Yan, sige. Okay, sige. So, if you don't have any question, this ends our webinar today. I would like to thank each one of you for being here and sobrang participative. I really appreciate your presence and engagement, interaction. Yan. So, see you. Thank you, Joanna. Thank you, Monique. Thank you, Leah, Daphne, and Zoe, Mean, si Michelle, Adrian. Thank you, Gigi. Thank you for being here. Mia and Kessler. Yan. Thank you so much. We'll see you. See you again. We'll have more of this and we can be accountable to each other. Thank you. Bye.